Pathway to English untuk SMA, MA, kelas 11, kelompok peminatan. Copyright by Penerbit Airlangga, 2016.
Chapter 1. What do you recommend? Activity 1. Listen to the dialogue and complete the missing expressions. Can I help you?
Yes. We'd like to go somewhere for our holiday.
Yeah, can you recommend something?
Well, what kind of holiday would you prefer? I mean, do you want to spend your holiday on a beach or at a mountain resort?
On the beach. We like diving.
Yes, we like sunbathing also.
Okay, what about somewhere in Lavina Beach, Bali?
I've been to Bali several times.
We would like something a bit more exotic.
Well then, how about Raja Ampat in West Papua?
Raja Ampat. I have heard about that from my friend. She said it has excellent diving.
That sounds like a great idea.
But I don't think we could afford that.
Actually, it's not as expensive as you think, ma'am.
Can I look at a brochure?
Sure, here you are. Take your time.